Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming compatibility and turning on required services. Check the BMW model year and infotainment version. Once confirmed, make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Siri are enabled. Position the car in park and unlock the phone. If wired, plug the original Lightning cable into the USB port labeled with a phone or CarPlay icon. If wireless, put the head unit into Bluetooth pairing mode. Do these first steps now so the system can detect your device. Once done with initial connection, proceed to pairing and setup. On the iDrive screen, go to Phone or Connections, then Mobile Devices and choose Connect New Device. Select Apple CarPlay when prompted. Make sure to compare and confirm the pairing code shown on both the iPhone and the BMW screen. This secures the link. After pairing, grant permissions on your iPhone for contacts and notifications, and allow CarPlay while the phone is locked if you want full functionality. This completes the main configuration steps. To finalize, launch Apple CarPlay from the BMW home screen and confirm apps appear. Rearrange them on your iPhone in Settings General CarPlay to suit your workflow. Test navigation, music playback, and make a call. Use the steering wheel Siri button for voice control so you keep your eyes on the road. If CarPlay fails to connect, restart both the iPhone and the car's iDrive, swap USB ports, and if needed, reset iPhone network settings. This one troubleshooting tip fixes most lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.